Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2013 Jeep Compass and I will show you how to remove and replace the factory radio unit. This video will apply to Jeep Compasses made from 2011 all the way up to 2017. Now the first thing you'll have to do, you'll have to remove this plastic trim piece that's surrounding the radio. To do that, the best tool to use will be a plastic trim remover. If you don't have one, then you can use a flat screwdriver, but in that case just be careful so you don't make any scratches to the dashboard. So it's probably the best to start here at the bottom and just pop that trim off. Just like that. Okay, and that's it. Once this is all nice and loose, you can just lower it down all the way to get access to all the radio screws. Now, if you want, you can completely remove this piece by disconnecting the climate controls, but you don't have to do it because, like I said, you have full access to the screws. So the next thing to do, you want to remove 4 Phillips screws, 2 on this side and 2 on the opposite side, down here and 1 on the top. In case you decide to disconnect these climate controls, you will have like a small clip just here on top to push and then pull the connector out. And one more thing, before disconnecting anything, especially radio, make sure to disconnect your battery. Okay, so these are the screws, and once these are removed, there is nothing else holding the radio in and you can gently pull it out. To completely remove it, you will have a couple of connections in the back of the radio. So I'll start from the right side. So to remove the radio antenna, you'll have like a small clip to push right here. So I want to push it and pull it off. Same thing goes with this one. Just a little clip, push it and disconnect it. The other 2 electrical connectors, it will be the same thing. So small clip, tap to push down at the bottom, push and pull out. Same thing with the big one, push in and pull out. And that's how you can remove the radio. Okay, now one more important thing. If you're replacing this radio with another factory radio, make sure to get the new radio code, because once you connect it to this vehicle, it's gonna ask you for the code most likely. You can see here it has like anti-theft, and that means if you just get the radio from a different car, it's not gonna work in this car. So if you're getting it from the salvage or online through eBay or something like that, make sure to get the radio code. It's usually a 4-digit number located as a part of the owner's manual, written down on a small card size of a business card. If you're replacing this radio with an aftermarket radio, which you're most likely doing, then first you have to make sure to get the right wiring harness, which is gonna connect to these wires and to your new aftermarket radio. And also make sure to get a nice aftermarket radio kit made from Jeep Compass, so it's all gonna look like it's supposed to look. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.